Welcome to GRI Reporting Standards Step by Step. In the next few minutes, we will explore how to use the GRI Framework to create transparent, credible sustainability reports that stakeholders trust. This is practical, actionable knowledge from the full Udemy course. Let us get started. We begin with the GRI Framework structure and why it is the most widely used sustainability reporting standard in the world. These foundational concepts guide every aspect of creating a GRI-compliant sustainability report. Materiality assessment determines which topics are important enough to report on, focusing our efforts where they matter most. Universal standards establish the foundation for every GRI report, including reporting principles and general disclosures. Topic standards provide detailed disclosure requirements for specific environmental, social, and governance topics. Engaging stakeholders ensures our report addresses the sustainability issues that matter most to those we affect. Now let us walk through the practical steps of building a GRI-compliant sustainability report from start to finish. A structured reporting process ensures our GRI report is comprehensive, credible, and delivered on schedule. We start by assembling a cross-functional team and defining the reporting boundary and time period. The materiality assessment identifies which sustainability topics are significant enough to include in our report. Systematic data collection across all material topics ensures we have the evidence to support our disclosures. We draft each disclosure following the specific requirements of the applicable GRI universal and topic standards. Internal review and external assurance validate the accuracy and completeness of our report before publication. Understanding how the GRI standards are organized helps us navigate the framework and identify which disclosures apply. The universal standards apply to every organization and establish the core framework for reporting. Economic standards cover our financial impacts on stakeholders and the broader economy. Environmental standards address our impact on natural resources, climate, and ecosystems. Social standards cover our impacts on employees, communities, and broader society. Organizations can choose between different levels of GRI reporting based on their maturity and stakeholder expectations. GRI-referenced reporting allows organizations to begin their sustainability reporting journey with selected disclosures. Reporting in accordance with GRI demonstrates full commitment to transparency and meets the highest stakeholder expectations. High-quality data is the foundation of a credible GRI report, and collecting it requires systematic processes. Assigning data owners ensures accountability and that each disclosure has a responsible person driving data quality. Templates reduce errors and ensure data is collected in the format required by GRI disclosure specifications. Internal controls like cross-checks and reconciliations catch data errors before they appear in the published report. Beginning data collection well before the reporting deadline gives us time to address gaps and quality issues. Let us recap the essential insights from our exploration of GRI reporting standards. Adopting GRI standards ensures our sustainability reporting meets globally recognized transparency expectations. A rigorous materiality assessment prevents us from reporting on everything while missing what stakeholders truly need. Understanding this structure helps us navigate the framework efficiently and identify applicable disclosures. A GRI report is only as credible as the data behind it, making systematic collection our top priority. If this preview gave you valuable insights, the full Udemy course goes much deeper with reporting templates, materiality assessment tools, and step-by-step guidance for every GRI disclosure. Enroll today and create sustainability reports that stakeholders trust. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Until then, report transparently and sustainably.